Hi everyone. The roads in my area are awful at the moment. With the bad weather, with the rain and with the frost, the roads are all broken up and there's loads of potholes everywhere. I did have an incident with one of my pupils on a lesson where they went down one of these potholes and actually blew out 2 tyres. I'll show you that in a minute, but we're going to try and have a look at how you can recognise them and hopefully how you can avoid them. See if you can spot the pothole. We're going to take the next road on the left, please. Find it first before you do it.
Yeah.
Well done. Next 10 seconds. What's it like, Julie? Next 10 now. Happy? Next 10 now. We good? Yeah? Can't have a go at our lights again yet because there's a car. We are going to look for the next opportunity to have another little go at them. Don't steal it. Whoa!
Sorry.
That's alright, it's not your fault you didn't know that there was a massive hole in the road. Don't worry at all.
Yeah.
Alright? Come off your gas. I think we're just going to puncture. Yeah, it's popped the tyre. This pothole actually burst both tyres. And as you can see by the pictures, neither were repairable. Even though I'd reported the pothole immediately after the incident, 2 weeks later the pothole was still there, but at least the council had made it visible for other road users. It's awful. That's 2 weeks later as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how do we deal with potholes if we can see them early enough? This particular pothole popped another one of my instructor's tyres only last week. This whole town. Okay, touch your gas. That's a big one, that as well, mate. You can see all the bits out of it, so avoid it. Yeah, slow. Think about what I did there. Slowed and just tried to position your left wheel just the other side of it. All right. Traffic lights, turn right, please. So what can we look out for to spot these potholes? First of all, anywhere where there are puddles, where water collects, there obviously could be holes there. And as I've found out, sometimes ones that you can't see. Also look out for where grids are situated or manhole covers. They've often been repaired and repaired badly and potholes can start up again. Also be careful where all the join lines are in the roads. As you can see, it's where water settles and it's where potholes can appear. Have a look at the next bus stop coming up and see the potholes starting to form where the bus pulls in. Quite often, driving a little wider away from the curb can actually help you avoid these potholes, but make sure you don't confuse people that you're turning right. If you've got to have any sideways movement before you avoid a pothole, make sure you check your mirrors first. Don't forget, there could be someone overtaking you. And remember, if you can't move, check your mirrors and slow down. It might just save you the cost of 2 new tyres.